Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Weekly Contest 292. About 35 seconds to go. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest. And keeping in mind that, I'm doing this live, so if you're looking for the solution and stuff like that and explanation, check out the description below. I'll have a link to each problem and its own contest or its own video. So yeah, okay. About 13 seconds. Oh no. Well, that's yikes. Welp, friends. That's no bueno. Oh. Well, wish me good luck, I guess. We'll see how this happens, see if this gets rated. I still cannot hit the website clearly, so. Okay, well. Okay, it's loading. We're already like a minute in or something like that. We'll see. I still have to click on the problem, so yeah. I imagine everyone's having the same issues though, but don't know. Okay, look at the source to see what okay. I was trying to see whether I can find the problems link, but it doesn't seem like that's the case. I guess it's just running on like I guess it's just like running on like another different server. I don't know. I know that I'm not making nonsense today, but I was just hoping to see, like we'll see what happens, right? Like I don't know. I'm figuring out as you are if you're watching me. Okay. Well. Let me see something for a second. I mean, it's still happening, but I don't know what's going on now, I guess. Yeah, I mean, I imagine it goes back up and we're still going to do it, but it's probably not going to be rated or something, right? Like it's already been 2 minutes. Okay, well, don't know what to say, but check out in the description to kind of skip this ahead. I imagine I have a link going forward in time. I'm just refreshing it really hard. This is kind of silly that it's rate limited though, right? Like, and this actually has been a stuff going on, but you imagine the site is, should be cached aggressively. So like it shouldn't matter. Like they should have like again, and that's what's happening, right? It's on Cloudflare, but they don't know how. I don't know. Maybe they just don't expect the traffic, or someone's DDoSing it. It may not be their fault if but that's it. Still no good. And keeping in mind that like I'm not even under the thing, right? Yeah, I don't know. We'll hang out for a little bit, I guess. I imagine this won't get ranked or whatever. In any case, oh no, I think it's just like a temporary. Because the problem is that right now it needs to go through like And someone on my Discord is posting the links though, even though they get a yeah, let's see. Can we solve? We can probably solve this from the title, which is a little bit dubious. I don't know how I could do it in stream, but largest 3 same-digit number in string could mean anything really. But count nodes equal to the average of subtree. Depth for search, recursion, count number of text, that could mean anything. So it could be accounting, could be API. Check if there's a valid parentheses string path. That I'm not so sure about. I mean, it's a Q4, so I imagine it's hard or something. But oh, there we go. Well, I mean, that's just this though, and it gives me the links, but maybe it's coming back, maybe? I don't know. Maybe not. I was too optimistic. This seems like it was loading though. Just hoping for this like loading thingy. I mean, this is no way this is gonna count now. This is 8 minutes in. But yeah. Oh, there we go. Oh, let's see. 2 distinct good integers. 1 unique digits. Okay. So num for and if num sub I is equal to num I plus 1 and num sub I is equal to I plus 2. Oops. I don't know if this is going to submit, but at least I'm going to try my best. So we'll see how that goes. Is it plus? Is it inclusive? I always forget. But I can't even run the code, right? I don't know if running the code works. Does it work? Nope, unknown error. So we'll just leave it like that for now. Okay. You go to the average of the values in the subtree. That's a fun one, but okay. Let's see, right? Go node and basically average of the values in a subtree. Does it include itself? So 4 is 485. Okay, so it does include itself. So that's what I wanted to check. Plus no dot value count 1 if so total over count is equal to value. So so then this means that this is times count. Okay, so go root something like that maybe. Can't even use the example. I guess that's the only test cases. I mean, I think these are probably right anyway, so oops. Let's see, check with the random parentheses graph. Okay, so it's something basically, this is a good problem. M times n is equal to 10,000. Okay, so basically the 10,000 nodes, each one could be I mean, I think in theory, can you go backwards or just only down or right? Okay. Actually, that makes it pretty straightforward, I think. Okay, still doesn't work, but okay. It's just DP on the states. Yeah, I mean, it's just, I mean, this may time out actually, but because who knows how fast Python is anymore, but it should be good. Go 0 0 0. Okay. Okay, and then now basically we want to add if I, then yeah, we if go of x plus 1 to the R and to the 1, then return true. Right. If y plus 1 and true. Okay, else then is a negative grid. If c is equal to 0, then we return false. Otherwise, if x plus 1, same thing here, except for a minus, I suppose. Otherwise, return false. This should be good. I mean, it may be too slow. It's 100 cube. Maybe 100 times 500 cube. So it should be fast enough though. So let's see. S 7 4 times. I'm gonna add a K. Mod. So let's sing the mod song. And this is going to be dynamic programming. Basically, I wish they give us a way to count this, but oh, only 2 to 9. I was going to check for 9, but previous is equal to, let's see. So 0 0 for 0 and 1. 2 is, so it's all 3 except for 7 and 9. Okay, so I don't need this, I guess. Okay. This is actually a very easy contest, I think, relatively speaking. Key is equal to this. If key is equal to 7 or key is equal to 9, oops. Then what do? We go back up to 3 times, up to 4 times. Is equal to 3 is equal to 4. C. If pressed keys of k is not equal to pressed keys of k minus I minus 1, and also k minus I minus 1 is greater than 0, and if this is less than 0 or this is true, then we break. Otherwise, dp sub oh, this is messy. Let's call this x. dc of x, we add it by x minus I minus 1, and of course at the very end we mod, and then we return dp of n minus 1. I think this is off by 1 possibly, but oops. Okay. Yeah, I mean, I think I'm done, but maybe minor issues, but no submit, or it's hard to say. Yeah. I'm going to do it's kind of funny because even with all these issues, like this would have been like a 10-minute contest or something like that, right? So yeah, I don't know. Like I don't know. I mean, we could time it, but and there's probably some debugging that I need to do, to be honest, but it's probably close. So yeah, I mean, I don't know, right? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm done, so I don't know. I don't know if I should stay just on this video rather versus like breaking out to an explanation video, because you know solutions. You know, I don't know. Just checking to see whether the China code is up or the China server is up. The China server seems to be fast. I don't know if you could submit, but. I mean, as you can see, even if I submitted like 3 minutes ago, and maybe there's some debugging, I would have been like top 20 in China or something. See, a couple of people use the Chinese server. Even though normally I don't think they do, but maybe that's the way to go. But that said, should I submit? I don't even know if I should submit, because if I submit it, it may count, right? So I don't know. Should I submit? Do I trust them? All right, let's give it a go. I mean, I'm already done, right? So like, this is weird. I don't know. I hope that this doesn't count. But also, like, I click on submit and it doesn't do anything. So got my 5 coins though. That'd be funny if this breaks as a result. I mean, I don't know what I'm doing. Right? Like this doesn't really work. There's no way they're gonna test this, right? Or like accept this, right? But I would like to see if my solutions work. Oh, okay. So I got Q1 right. I mean, you know, for me to do the explanation video, I would like to at least, you know, have some. Well, unknown error is not my fault, right? Is there even a? Oh, I shouldn't have refreshed this. Oh, I mean, it's fine. We already have the problems. But okay, click on stop it. Maybe refresh another page because I wanted to see if there was rankings, but I guess it doesn't really matter. One time. Oh, I mean that's fine, right? That's like so silly. Like I said, like there are probably some minor things. I probably could have also randomed it locally, to be honest, for testing, especially given the time that we have. But maybe that's fine. And this is wrong. Maybe I have a typo. Why is this false? Maybe I don't know how to solve this, but nonetheless, I mean, I know how. I think this is roughly right, but maybe I have a typo somewhere. This is impossible to debug, though. I thought. Oh, whoops. This should be X. So I do have a lot of typos. Not gonna lie. But obviously, I don't think these typos are kind of like. I think my that'd be fun. Yeah, well. Like I think I have the ideas right, even if you know, even if it's not quite right. 4 and 1. Oh, this one's wrong, huh? I mean, like I said, there's definitely debugging, but like most of the code should be written. Though maybe I'm wrong, like I said. So this is a weird contest. How am I getting this wrong? So this is good. Otherwise, just return false, right? Yep, should be okay. Otherwise, So z is equal to 0 is true. Yep, should be okay. Maybe it's a good thing that we don't count this then. Oh, and this should be append. Maybe it's good that I did not get this, or like this isn't a thing. But that's just like minor syntax thing. That said, I should still get it. So 6160. What am I missing on this one? Oh, it's round down. That's silly. I actually did this optimization, but it turns out that this optimization actually breaks it. That's funny. But also that's like a easy fix, right? Like if we had a thing. That's a lot of stupidness on my part, actually. How did I fix this one, though? What am I doing wrong? Am I doing something weird? Oh, because I'm not counting the final thing. So yeah, okay. I am just dumb. So this should be 1 exactly, and then we can do something like if grid 00 is equal to we just for like saving time, I think, because I don't know, because Leetcode is silly. Is that right? Nope. Maybe I'm lying. Maybe I because this is not the same as y. Oh no. 709, right? 4. Did I get the other one right? The other one is 2223. The reason is because we need this to be dp of x is equal to dp of x plus or minus 1, right, for one number. I think maybe I'm off by something here. So, it's very tough to go back and forth on this though. For me. Okay, so yeah, so okay, so we do this first, and then yeah, okay. I think this is right. 0 and then minus 1. Also, this should be, this is wrong, this should be this. Oh, look, that got accepted. So that was an easy fix. Let's give it a submit. Is that right? Nope. I have a weird typo somewhere. Maybe. Let's see. So maybe I wouldn't have done well, but alright, I just print the DP. We should at least get the example. I mean, this is gonna be so long, and this is such a easy thing. I just had a silly mistake, but and then now we're testing again. Let's see. I mean, I know what I'm doing wrong, but this has been a weird contest. So this, we break. Okay, and then this is, yeah. I think this overlaps it, maybe that's why, but no, I think this should be right. 0, x minus 1. Yeah, okay. I think the index are finally right, but and yeah, the running the things is a little bit slow. I don't think this will count, right? I mean, this is a little bit silly. I was looking at the China side, and China side is up, but yeah. Okay, so that fixes it for this one, but not for the big number. Well, this goes. Is this after we fix it? I don't actually know if this is after we fixed it. Like, it just takes so long to debug, you know? Check on the Warriors game. They're up by 26. I should be confident. So I mean, I know how to do this one, but it clearly, I'm off by 1. So if this is 0, should be good. X minus 1, x, so if this is 0. Am I confusing 1, 2, 3? Yeah, I mean, that looks okay. I mean, also it's only 2, so this should work. Like, there's no 7 or 9 thing, even though that's a very easy typo. Let's take away the mod for a second. I'm just working on the assumptions that I'm not really rushing it because I'm working on the assumptions that the contests don't count. So we'll see how that goes. sorry if this video is jumping all over the place because, well, I mean, you know, it is what it is. I should keep these up just in case. I should have done it because, you know, for my video later. Okay, so this is, so what I'm doing now is just checking on the numbers to see whether maybe I'm off by one somewhere. And my number is way bigger, so maybe this should be -1. Maybe that's why. Because it should be 1, 2. Maybe I just miscounted because 3 includes itself. So yeah, so okay, so see now that we look at this, and then we can bring back the mod, and then that's actually, if they didn't give me the test case, I probably would have messed up. Or I mean, it just took long because I have no way of knowing what the answer should be. But I'm gonna submit it after this. It's just that this is so slow. I mean, this was this could have been a fun contest. I feel like I could have speed ran this one, even though, I mean, it's tough to go back and forth, but that'd be funny if I still messed up though. Okay, yeah. Oh look, some people got it. I wonder where I rank on this. Wow, people actually got to submit problems that early? But yeah, I mean, I'm under the assumption that it doesn't count, because if it counts, then this is really sad. But we did finish all 4, so. Also, I think, to be honest, I had time to probably do this locally. If I did it locally, I probably could have fixed it during the downtime as well, right? Obviously. So I don't know. It doesn't really matter at this point. This is never going to update, and also it's never going to count. And if it counts, it'll be very sad because, you know. Yeah. Anyway, is this the right answer? No, let's give it a refresh. So now I'm going to go do the videos. Obviously this video is a little bit weird one. So, yeah, stay good, stay healthy, to good mental health. I'll see you later and take care. Bye-bye.